In this video, we will show you how to replace your wheel center cap on this Lincoln Navigator. You'll have one of these located on each wheel. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is locate where the notch is on your center cover. Once you've done that, use a plastic trim tool so you don't scratch or damage your wheel. We'll get in behind that tab and gently separate this. There it is, friends. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new center cover. You'll notice along the back side you have 5 holes. Those are for each of your 5 lug nuts. Align your center cover holes with the lug nuts. Double check to make sure it's seated all the way around. Assuming that's good, the process will be the exact same thing on every other wheel. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.